Fears of a second wave reaching a fever pitch. COVID-19 infections around the country are rising ever faster, with upwards of 1,700 new cases confirmed in just the past week. In fact, infection rates in Israel are sitting at nearly 300 new cases every day, and the WHO reporting the single largest daily global rise in infections on record too. But in spite of worrying numbers and calls for hospitals to prepare to reopen COVID wings, Israel's health ministry sees no need to reimpose restrictions anytime soon. The new health ministry director general, Chazi Levi, saying Israelis just need to remain vigilant in maintaining social distancing and wearing masks, adding that those with even mild symptoms should simply go get tested. At the same time, Levi also rejecting calls to fire his second-in-command for granting an exemption from self-quarantine to Israeli Cypriot billionaire Teddy Sagi, who attended a star-studded party instead. Deputy Director General Itamar Grado explaining his reasoning in an apology letter, which has since been accepted. And meanwhile, in a total opposite of new lockdowns, train services across the country are resuming Monday morning after months of being closed. In order to maintain at least some health restrictions, train lines will be operating at half capacity, with a maximum of 500 passengers allowed per train. Plus, travelers will have to book their spots online in advance. Also, no food or drinks allowed on your trip, as passengers will have to wear masks at all times, and those with a body temperature above 38 Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit will be barred from train stations altogether. The death toll rising by 2 to 307, with the total infections hitting nearly 4,900, a rising majority of whom are younger patients. And yet a key program used to track the spread of COVID-19 losing support. The head of the Shin Bet security agency is reportedly against renewing its program of tracking citizens' phones, despite reports the Prime Minister wants to bring it back.